The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is one of the most eagerly anticipated flagship tablets of the year, and as its rumored launch date draws closer, leaks and rumors are piling up, providing us with a clearer picture of what to expect from this high-end device. In this video, we will dive deep into all the leaks surrounding the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, covering its design, features, potential hardware upgrades, and anticipated release details. One of the most talked about aspects of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is its design, which has been the subject of multiple leaks. The first significant leak comes from the well-known leaker Evan Blass, who shared a render that appears to be an official product image of the device. This image was shared on Blass's Twitter account, and it suggests that the design of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will largely remain unchanged from its predecessor, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. According to the render, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will retain the distinctive notch at the top of the display, which houses its front camera setup. This notch, though somewhat controversial among users, seems to be a fixture in Samsung's design language for their Ultra tablets. The rear of the device is expected to feature a clean, metal finish with vertically stacked dual cameras, similar to the Tab S9 Ultra. Additionally, the placement of the magnetic ports for the keyboard and accessory attachments will likely stay the same, indicating that the dimensions of the Tab S10 Ultra might be identical to its predecessor. This consistency in design could be a strategic choice by Samsung to maintain compatibility with existing accessories, such as keyboard covers. Another design-related leak comes from Anil Ganti, who published a post on Twitter that included a new render of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This render provides a closer look at the bottom edge of the device, where the connectors for the keyboard cover are located. The render also highlights two cutouts on either side of these connectors. Contrary to speculation, these cutouts are not additional USB-C ports, but are magnetic ports for accessories like a keyboard cover. This detail reinforces the idea that Samsung is focusing on making the Tab S10 Ultra a versatile device for productivity. Moving beyond design, there have been several leaks regarding the hardware and performance aspects of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. A significant leak related to the tablet's hardware comes from Gizmochina, which reported on certifications from the UAE's TDRA and Denmark's UL Demco. These certifications suggest that the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will continue to support 45-watt wired charging, a feature that remains unchanged from the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The certifications also confirm the existence of different tablet variants, including Wi-Fi and 5G models. One of the most surprising rumors surrounding the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the potential change in its processor. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 series processors have traditionally powered Samsung's flagship tablets. However, according to seasoned tipster Ice Universe's tweet, all the tablets in the 2024 range are going to come packing a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This would be a slight upgrade on the standard Dimensity 9300 CPU, which was announced in May. It's something of a surprise because almost all of the previous Galaxy Tab slates have run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon Silicon, the only exception being the original Galaxy Tab S from 2014, which had one of Samsung's own Exynos processors inside. A switch to MediaTek could mean changes in performance and efficiency, which might appeal to users looking for a balance between power and battery life. As for the release date, multiple sources, including Ross Young, have suggested that the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is likely to be unveiled in October 2024, possibly alongside the Galaxy S24 FE. This timing would align with Samsung's previous launch schedules and give the company a strong lineup going into the holiday season. In terms of pricing, while there has been no official word yet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is expected to be priced similarly to its predecessor. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra was launched at around $1,200, and we can expect the Tab S10 Ultra to be in the same range, if not slightly higher due to potential hardware upgrades and new features. Are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra? What features are you most looking forward to? Do you think the rumored switch to a MediaTek processor is a good move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.